Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm sharing with you how I'm drawing a realistic ballpoint. You know, I'm going to share all the process and all you need to know basically. And let me share with you now because it's some artists, or let me say mostly beginners who do think that okay, for me or for them to draw realistic ballpoint art piece, I have to buy so much quality material. Actually, the technique is something more realistic. It actually depends on how you, with your knowledge and also your patience and also consistency in it. So what I'm going to share with you this moment is that I'm going to share with you in this video how you can draw it a realistic ballpoint. With my video basically, you don't need to buy something tools or something like that. Actually, I use ordinary ballpoint actually in real life a big working. I think it's of course over the world. And also there's A4 papers actually I'm using sketch paper. So what I first going to do is I actually have to sketch out my reference. Then after I do that, then I can actually trace it with a more bolder pencil. Actually, I didn't use 2B, and then I trace it with bold basically pencil. Then after that, I can just to trace it. As you can see in this video, I trace it with a ball pen. I'm sure I can to see it clearly, and also I might just not it as you have. So I'm going to share the stage with you how to draw a ball pen actually. So I'll show you when you sketch out the reference, then choose again you can okay sketch it out with pen again, then start to see the pages. So here in this video it's explained basically, and you can see how I actually draw it out by sketching out it. Then after that I start shading basically. Then I will show you in the video how I shade the nose and majorly the eye basically. All you need to know in the video. Pay attention and please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Press the red button and also like and share this video. Thank you so much. You are welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm expecting okay, subscribe. You'll be expecting more of this video or tips and tutorials you need to know. I'm going to share with you as I promised to do. Thank you so much for watching my channel. Thank you so much. Yeah, so from this stage, I'm actually sharing with you how I shade the nose. Basically, now I'm actually most part of the human face I'm drawing. I'm going to make my goal is to make it a realistic ballpoint artwork. So basically, I'm going to share the process with you. Let me say this is just introduction of this video. So subscribe to my channel actually as you wait for let me say the part one, part two, and part three even as how my goal is to share with the world, or let me say beginners and all those that love arts and creativity, how they can draw a ball pen with it. So thank you so much. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel and watch to the end, like it and share. Thank you. So one thing about also shading with your pen, actually, I doesn't matter about how you hold your pen, but also one of the things actually about the patience. I used to tell people that is how the patient you are, because the more you are more patient, and also let's say specifically arching, cross arching, you have to be more patient. It's not just like strolling lines and making something that will now eventually look rough for the work and actually depress you. Eventually, you won't like to draw anymore. But that is not what I'm trying to say. I'm trying to say that the patience also by making it a consistent line by line. Actually, you are using hatching across hatching. But don't worry, I'm going to cover like I'm going to share all you need to know basically more of my videos. Just subscribe to my channel. So, what to the end, alright?